Beefy Finance DeFi Platform Review, My Usage Experience. Beefy Finance is a multi-chain decentralized yield optimizer that automatically maximizes returns on your crypto assets through auto-compounding vaults. Designed for both seasoned DeFi users and beginners, Beefy offers a simple yet powerful way to earn passive income without constantly managing your investments. One of its standout features is the automation of compounding rewards. Instead of manually harvesting and reinvesting, Beefy's smart contracts do all the work, saving time and optimizing yields. The platform supports a wide range of blockchains, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, and Phantom, making it a versatile choice for users with assets across multiple networks. The core product is its vaults, where you deposit tokens, and Beefy automatically compounds your rewards back into the pool. This compounding happens multiple times a day, maximizing your APY. I personally used Beefy on Binance Smart Chain and Polygon, focusing on stablecoin and blue-chip crypto pools. The APYs were competitive, and I appreciated the transparency. You can clearly see the breakdown of fees, including the performance and withdrawal fees. Speaking of fees, Beefy takes a performance fee from profits, not from your initial deposit, which is fair compared to other DeFi platforms. What I liked the most is the ease of use. Even if you're new to DeFi, the interface is clean, with clear instructions on how to deposit and withdraw funds. There's also a Beefy dashboard that tracks your investments across different vaults and shows real-time APYs and total value locked. Another plus is the Beefy Zap feature, which simplifies token swaps directly within the platform. For example, you can enter a vault with just one token, and Beefy handles the conversion to the required LP tokens. This reduces friction and makes DeFi farming more accessible. Security-wise, Beefy has been audited by multiple reputable firms, and the platform also has a multi-sig wallet for added protection. However, as with any DeFi project, there's always a risk. Smart contract exploits can happen, so I recommend only investing what you're comfortable losing. In terms of community, Beefy has an active Discord and Twitter presence, providing regular updates on new vaults and network expansions. If you're looking for a hands-off approach to DeFi farming, Beefy Finance delivers excellent automation, strong multi-chain support, and a user-friendly experience. In my opinion, it's a solid choice for earning passive crypto income with minimal management required.